mustard tea, you know mustard tea? Kasturi mruga, mustard tea, okay? And the sweat of the mustard it creates a beautiful smell, scent, okay? Kasturi mrugada ಒಂದು ವಾಸನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸುವಾಸನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The mustard tea thinks that the suwasana is coming from somewhere. The scent is coming from outside. The scent is coming from within. He doesn't know. And he has started searching where the scent is coming, from where the scent is coming, from where the scent is coming. And it runs faster and faster. The more the faster it goes, the more sweat, the more scent. It goes, oh, some must be here, must be here, must be here, must be here. No water, no utah, no food, it dies. Our life has become like this. We are after things. We are after things. We are loving things, using people, aren't we? A scratch on your new car is enough to take away your peace for 1 week. Okay? So let us do vice versa. Let us love people. Let us love our children. Especially the children should love their parents first. Okay? Unfortunately, the villages and I think he agree with me, and the cities, those who are in foreign, it become a big house, 2 old people are living. In the villages, all the youngsters have escaped into city, doing menial jobs to come up in life. They are right. So, ಈ ಪಲ್ಲಟ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಲ್ಲಟಗಳಾಗಿ ನಗರ ಪಲ್ಲಟಗಳಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಜೀವನನ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹಳೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಮನೇಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. 2 old people, they sit and wait. They have a lot of money, the great car. Tell me what? Do they need it? They want children's love. Okay? Please take care of your parents. I'm telling everybody, because if you cannot see God in your parents, in your guru, in your elders, in your surrounding, I don't think there is any meaning in it. Okay? ಊರಿಗೆ ಉಪಕಾರಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಮಾರಿ. I'm sorry, you become a ಊರಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಉಪಕಾರಿ ಊರಿಗೂ ಉಪಕಾರಿ ಆಗಿ. Okay? So friends, with this last, it may touch your heart. A devotee, a great devotee of the Lord dies. Okay, he straight away goes to the heaven and he asked the Lord, were you there with me always? He said, yes, I was there with you always. I want to see, I have a doubt. Were you there always with me? Yes, I was there with you. All the times. Yes, I want to see. Okay, come. The Lord, take him to a seashore and you look at the 4 footprints and look at your whole life from to tomb. Okay? ಗರ್ಭದಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದೆ, ಗೋರಿಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋರ್ಗು ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೀವನ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಬಂದ ಹುಟ್ಟದ 4. Then in 5 years he was in some bad health, only 2 footsteps. Other is missing, other 2 is missing. Happier times, 4 footsteps were there. He got a first rank in the 10th standard, 4 footprints. And he was met with an accident. He's in bedridden for 6 months, only 2 footprints. Then he was married, everything is jolly, fine. 4 footprints. And then he got depromoted, somewhere in deep trouble in the profession, heavy losses, only 2 footprints. God, this is not good. You said, in all the times you were there with me, he said, you are there with me in happier times, but you left me in the good times, the bad times. The Lord said, my dear child, in the good times, I was next to you. In the bad times, I carried you. Okay? With this, thank you very much. You have come. The Lord carries you in your bad time. Have the trust and surrender. You are not the doer. ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. It is going through you. The supply comes through here. The universe. You become connected. He will teach you how to connect it to the heart, to the universe. Okay? You are not the doer. You are an instrument. You are a catalyst. Okay? Paul Coelho says, if you desire something very, very vigorously, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸೇ ಒಂದು ಕುತಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಕಮಾನ್, ಯು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್, ಪಾಲ್ ಕೊಯ್ಲೋ, is if you desire deeply, if you really deserve it, the whole universe will conspire to make it happen. I don't know, miracles. For me, miracles happens every minute. Every minute. I see miracles now only. Okay? So many people, good people. Thank you. Okay.